Guangzhou Sohigh Solar Technology Company Limited is specializing in the development and production of solar photovoltaics module, solar inverter, solar batteries, solar submersible pump, solar power solutions, solar water heaters, etc. With an emphasis on management, research, and development, Sohigh Solar continuously manufactures leading-edge products. In recent years, our solar inverter and solar charger controller have the patent certificate for appearance. The solar battery has passed the MSDS test. We welcome OEM and ODM orders from all over the world. Also hope you can become our distributor and partner. Customers can select the current mold products from our catalog or send us the concept or make new molds. Our factory adopts international advanced production equipment such as automatic laminator, frame machine, welding machine, dicing machine, trimming machine, welding belt segmentation machine, sun simulator, EL detector, and owns 20 automated production lines, 40 semi-automated production lines. And it adopts international advanced production equipment, exquisite technical process, and strictly according to requirements of ISO 9001 Quality Management System Standard. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer services, our experienced staff members are always available to deal with your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Also have strictly quality control team to inspect your orders from the production to shipping. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.